Next point is collinear point. This is page number 83 of class 6 area book depot. If three or more points in a plane lies on the same line, then the points are said to be collinear and the line passing through them is said the line of collinearity. So suppose this is the line L, and here are the point A, then B, then C, then D, then E. Then all the points A, B, C and D and E lies on the same line L. So these points A, B, C, D are called the collinear point, and this line L is called as the line of collinearity. Can I compare the students who are standing in a straight line for assembly collinear points? In figure 1, ABC are the collinear points and L is the line of collinearity. In the figure 2, PQR and S are non-collinear points. Now the concurrent lines, three or more lines in a plane are said to be concurrent if all of them pass through the same point. The point is called the point of concurrency. If this is the point P, if many lines passing through the same point P, then all the lines will be, suppose this line is L, this line is M, this is N, this is O, this is Q. So all these lines are known as the concurrent line, and this point where all lines is passing, that P, is known as the point of concurrency of the given line. Example 1. In the adjoining figure, name the following. First, all pairs of parallel lines. B, all pairs of intersecting lines. C, lines whose point of intersection is B. D, lines whose point of intersection is Q. E, lines whose point of intersection is D. And F, collinear points. Solutions. Pair of parallel lines are L, M, N, and the pair of intersecting lines is L, P, LP, LQ, MP, MQ, NP, and PQ. Lines whose point of intersection is B, then it is the L and Q. Line whose point of intersection is Q, that is line M and the line P. Line whose point of intersection is D, then lines are M and the Q. Collinear points A, P, Q and R on the line P, A, B, C and D on line Q. Example number 2. Write concurrent lines and their points of concurrency. Concurrent lines as per the figure AC, BD, AC, AD, the point of concurrency is A, or for this A, lines concurrent lines are AD, AC and AB. For the concurrent line point P, B, it is the BC and the BA and the BD. For C, this is the BC and CD and CA. And for D, this is DA, DC and the DB. Example number 3. In the given figure, write lines of concurrent at point B, lines intersecting at point C, point of intersection of lines M and P, points of intersection of line N and R, and last, the 3 non-collinear points. Solution. Lines concurrent at B is M, N, Q and R. M, N, Q and R. Yes, line intersecting at C. P, N and P. Point of intersection of lines M. Point of intersection of line N and Q. M and Q. It is B. Point of intersection of line L and R. L and R. This is A. The three non-collinear points. This is A, B and C. Now exercise 4.1. There are many questions and sub-questions are there. You have to solve all the questions of this exercise. Next point will be open and closed figure. If we put the sharp tip of the pencil and without lifting it, remove the pencil from one point to other, then we get the figures with one of the following shapes. I can draw closed curve without lifting the pencil. The curves can be drawn with the help of the sharp pencil without lifting it. Note that the curves 1, 5, 6 are different from the curves 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 7. These curves 1 and 5th. The initial point and the end points are the same, whereas it is not so in the other curves. Here 1 is there, 2nd S is there, 3rd C is there, 4th this figure is there, 5th B is there, 2nd, next is B, and last is, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is figure number 7. So note that curves 1, 5 and 6 are different from the curves 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 7. Curves having common initial and end points are called closed curves, and the other curves are known as the open curve. Closed curves can be put into two categories: simple closed curves which do not cross themselves at any point are called the simple closed figure. Like this figure is simple closed figure. Complex closed figure which cross themselves at one or more points are called complex closed figure. Like next is polygons. Next is polygons. Simple closed figure comprising of three or more line segments are called polygons.